Hello children, this is Vishal Pandey and I welcome you all in my YouTube class. So what we are you know uh, starting today, what we will start today is something very interesting associated with our country. Rule, policy, law, so and so forth. So as far as this chapter is concerned, let me know that how could you imagine, how would you live in a country where there is no law, there is no policy, there is no policeman, there is no judiciary system, there is no working authorities? Altogether, you cannot live in a state, in a country where totally all the control of Anki is there, which is called anarchy. So you cannot live in that country. So all societies are bound by rules. Each and every societies are bound by rules. These rules helps to bring about order in human lives. When a group of people live together, there are bound to be differences of opinion on various issues. Like we are different because we are human being. We have many different ideas. Like each and every finger has different shape and size. There will also be disputes over access to. Yes, it is important. It is definitely it is true. There are many disputes means what? असहमति होना किसी भी बात को लेके. एंड कंट्रोल ओवर लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज लाइक वाटर और लैंड. सबका कंट्रोल है इन वाटर और लैंड के रिसोर्स पे. दिस डिस्प्यूट्स हैव टू बी रिजॉल्व पीसफुली एंड एमिकेबली इफ द ग्रुप हैज़ टू कोएग्जिस्ट. thus rules were invented to resolve conflicts is in an impartial and peaceful manner. So if you read this paragraph, you will able to know that why rules and policies are made, because so many people are living in the country with different ideas, with different nature. To bound them in a rope, to bound them equal, there must be some rules, some regulations which they used to follow. For example, if I talk about your school, so many students are there with different class, different shape, different size, different knowledge, but there is one rule for you all, that you have to come to school with a proper uniform, with proper discipline, read and write, and then leave the school. This is the policy, this is the regulation, these are some rules which each and everybody has to follow. So let us understand that in India how we follow the rules. By whom? Who suggests us to follow the rules? Who has monopoly towards on us? Who controls us? The law, or the policeman, or the prime minister, or whoever controls us. We will understand in detail that who is he who control each and every citizen of this country. So children, it is none other than, it is the Constitution of India. By Constitution of India only we are able to survive, we are able to demand our rights, we are able to demand our duty, fundamental rights, many more things I'm going to tell you in this chapter. It is going to be very interesting chapter. What is a constitution? A constitution is a set of rules, laws and principles according to which a country is governed. Very important. It can be a definition, it may be a definition of what is a constitution. A constitution is set of rules, laws and principles according to which a country is governed. The rules and laws are specially created to suit the needs of the people of that country. People belonging to different ethnic groups, language groups, religions and cultures make up a nation. So who make a nation, children? People of different groups, different religion, different language, caste, creed, sex, gender, color, many more things. People if live together with different qualities among them makes a nation. Why? What is the slogan of our country? Because we are having unity in diversity. So this is the slogan, children. So this is going to be very interesting chapter. First of all, we have to understand what is the form of constitution, and then we will understand the organs of constitution. What are the organs? Legislature is the organ of constitution, executives are the organs of constitution, and judiciary is the organ of constitution. So three organs are very essential, three organs are very important of a constitution. What are they? Legislature, executives, judiciary. What is legislature? Where laws are made. If laws are made, like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, if here laws are made, then it will executed by officials, it will executed by we the common people. अगर इस लॉ को हम लोग फॉलो नहीं करते तो हमारे ऊपर पुलिसमैन, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेगा, और अगर वो गलत एक्शन हमारे खिलाफ लेते हैं then there is a judiciary. You can go to judge, you can go to court, you can go to high court, supreme court for the sake of your rights. So this is the constitution. In next video I am going to start the Indian constitution. We will understand the Indian constitution in detail. Okay, so till then be active, read this chapter, it is very interesting. Any doubt, talk to me. Bye bye.